Before setting up your Xumo Stream box, gather these essential items. You'll need a working internet connection with Wi-Fi enabled, your Wi-Fi network name and password, and a separate device with an internet browser for activation. Start by connecting the HDMI cable from your Xumo Stream box to your TV. Then plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet and connect it to the Xumo Stream box. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Remove the plastic tab from the back of the remote to activate the batteries. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the remote, ensuring it stays within 10 feet of the Xumo Stream box. Once the remote is paired, you'll see the initial setup screen. Select your preferred language from the available options to continue with the setup process. The Xumo Stream box has replaced the Xfinity Flex as the streaming device for new Xfinity Internet customers. If you currently have an Xfinity Flex box, you can swap it for the newer Xumo Stream box. Your Xumo Stream box is now physically connected and the remote is paired. The initial setup is complete and you're ready to proceed with connecting to Wi-Fi and setting up your account. Now that your Xumo box is physically connected, the next step is connecting to the internet. You have two options for internet connectivity. For Wi-Fi setup, select your network name from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. For a wired connection, simply plug in an Ethernet cable for automatic setup. Next, you'll link your account to the Xumo Stream box. The process differs depending on your internet service provider. Spectrum subscribers have a special option. You can choose Continue with Spectrum during activation to use your existing Spectrum credentials. Now you'll set up your location preferences. Choose where the Xumo box is located in your home and select your geographic location for accurate time display. Next comes app personalization. You can customize which streaming apps appear on your home screen for quick access to your favorite content. The XR100 remote can control both your Xumo box and your TV. To set this up, go to Settings, then Connected Devices, then Remote to pair it for TV volume and power control. Finally, you can enable voice guidance during setup. This accessibility feature provides audio instructions to help navigate the interface, making setup easier for all users. Your Xumo Stream box is now fully configured with internet connectivity, account linking, personalized settings, and remote control. You're ready to start streaming your favorite content.